Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we're gonna talk about important topic: how to upgrade your Windows 10 into Windows 11 with a few simple easy steps. First, you need to go to this website, for the official website from Microsoft. I'm gonna leave you the link in the description below. And also you need to check your system requirements about the CPU, the RAM, and if you don't know anything about specs, check the other video. I'll give you also the link for it. For me talking about these specs and laptops and how you can check your specs yourself. So now we're just gonna install here. You can install this Windows 11 installation assistant, or you can create a Windows 11 installation media. Here it's just gonna check your specs. If your computer is great, it's fine, then he's gonna install for you Windows 11. But now I'm gonna download this and install it directly without checking the computer specs, because I'm sure that my computer really can handle this Windows 11. So I'm gonna click download here and save it and run it. So this is the installation media creator. So it's gonna offer me a few things before downloading. So you need to choose the architecture, you need to choose the language, and then you're gonna download it, and then you can install it directly without going to the process of checking your system requirements. I recommended this if you have like a minimum RAM of 8 GB, and processor, of course, should be like modern processor, let's say like i5 or i7 or even i3. If we talk about Intel generation, as long as it's really has from the newer generation. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can check my video about this specs, and then you will understand what is the difference between all these processors, AMD and Intel, the generations and everything, and what is the RAM. So here I'm gonna make except for the terms of Microsoft services, and now this installation is gonna ask me for a few more things. So talking about our topic, we need really good computer specs. If you want to run Windows 10 or Windows 11, almost they're the same. They require minimum RAM of 4 GB, but I would recommend it more. And of course, if you would have SSD or NVMe storage device, it's going to be really great to install one of these operating systems. So now we know that by default, he just installation choose like it's English and Windows 11. But if you untick this here, then you can choose another language if you want. Or of course, like it's just Windows 10, 11, because we're not downloading in this Windows 11, so it's fine for me. Again, click next. Do you want it to be already on your USB device to be installed this image, and then you can install it cleanly on device, or you just want to use an ISO image? For me, I'll just use ISO image because I want to upgrade the Windows from my Windows 10. Not booting, not doing anything like going to BIOS and change the boot priority device or anything else. So I'm going to just choose ISO device. And then I'm going to complete the next thing here. And here we should just choose the location. For me, it doesn't matter. I'll just choose the downloads here, and I'll call it Windows 11. And save it there. So now the progress of downloading Windows 11 into my computer. This is going to take a while, depends on your internet speed. So for me, I will pause the video here. Right now we're going to come back, and we downloaded already the ISO file, which has the Windows 11, and here is the location for it. We can just go to complete everything here, just cleaning, and here we have the Windows 11. Now we don't want this page anymore. We can just close it to reduce this complexity, and then we can install here Windows 11 directly. And we open it, and then we click on setup. Yes. So the startup, now the Windows is starting up. It's launching already, so let's check. Usually installing Windows on good specs computers is going to take a lot of time. So here the preparing phase, just like collecting some data. So here the window for installation. Here you can make an installation better or not. You can make it tick or not. For me, I don't want to. So I'm gonna click next. Now it's gonna check for updates because as long as this computer is connected to the internet, so it's already gonna look for some updates directly to install the Windows 11 updated without any problems. So this process can take some time, depends on your internet speed and the connection to the Microsoft servers. So after updating, this is the next step, is checking your PC for installing Windows 11. So now we need to complete this by accepting the license terms. This is going to take a little bit while, depends on computer specifications. So here it's ready to install. This is going to be install Windows 11 Pro, keep personal files application. If you want to change any of this, you can here to click and change if you want to keep only personal files or you don't want to keep anything. For me, I just it's okay. Let's just keep everything here. It's fine for me. Or I'm just gonna click nothing to keep. So everything's gonna be deleted: files, apps, and settings. And here is gonna be use your settings. Apps will be deleted, but your files will be kept. So this one seems fair. Again, click next. So install. That's it. Now we are in the process of installing Windows 11. This is going to take a little bit. So now after completing the Windows installation, it just restarted. And now we're going to finalize the setup of Windows 11. Now you can leave these options for privacy settings on, and then you can click next, and that's it. Now we are having Windows 11 upgraded on Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.